Én Lakics Hanna vagyok, és én vagyok a Parrot Pallet diákvállalkozásnak a vezérigazgatója. Mi raklapból gyártunk bútorokat. Arra szeretnénk nagyon nagy hangsúlyt fektetni, hogy a környezettudatosság az minden lépésünket meghatározza. Lett vége az országos versenynek, és mi a Parrot Pallet diákvállalkozást nyertük meg, úgyhogy most mehetünk a nemzetközi versenyre Tallinnban, és nagyon hálásak vagyunk ezért a díjért.
Hello, Tallinn!
This is the moment we have all been waiting for.
The day of Europe's largest entrepreneurship event.
Today, the search begins for the best student companies of this year.
Everyone, we are the Parrot Pallet. Our initial idea was to build furniture from pallets and small objects from fruit boxes.
100% of our raw materials are reused, thrown at pallets and food boxes. When designing, we make sure that the dimensions of the products fit the dimensions of the wood materials we have. That's not only saving production time, but also producing less waste.
At the beginning of the school year, we started with the required capital of 75 euros, which was quite a challenge for us, but today our profit is more than 850 euros.
We received a lot of custom orders throughout the year. We have been to markets and started working with other companies. We won a lot of awards that we are proud of, especially the Hungary's Best Student Company Award. Our goal at the beginning was to create an eco-friendly company, enjoy the process of doing so, and to reach the final stage, the final challenge. We're glad we can look back at this year with satisfaction. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.